Now, the Supreme Court has set up a committee that will be now headed by retired top court judge Justice Indu Malhotra to probe into the alleged security lapse during Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Punjab visit on January 5th. My colleague Meenakshi now joins me live. Meenakshi, we have been bringing to our viewers how a court-monitored probe will now be made available and will now happen, in fact, and how the Supreme Court asked the government of Punjab and also the centre to stand down on their probes. Now we have the names, probe panel to be headed by retired Judge Justice Indu Malhotra.
Well, the Supreme Court had made this announcement Monday, and subsequent to that, there were a lot of speculations as to who would be the retired Supreme Court judge to look into the issue. That has been resolved and effectively settled. It is going to be retired Supreme Court Judge Justice Indu Malhotra who will head this panel. Remember, we had broken the story of the composition of this committee. Apart from Justice Indu Malhotra, it will the DG NIA, the DG Security of Punjab, the Registrar General of Punjab and Haryana High Court, and other officers. This composition was announced by the Supreme Court Monday itself. But the only question was who would be the retired Supreme Court judge who would be in charge of this committee, and that now has been settled by virtue of this order of the top.
Right, Meenakshi, thank you so much for joining us. So this is the latest that we are getting at the moment, as the Supreme Court has set up this committee, and that will be headed by retired top court judge Justice Indu Malhotra. She, in fact, will be probing into the security lapse during Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to Punjab on January 5th.